Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Being The Ricardos is probably one of the most talked about films of the year, delving into the complex personal and professional lives of Lucille and Desi Arnaz, the iconic couple behind the beloved I Love Lucy show, and this movie offers a fascinating, behind-the-scenes look at the challenges, triumphs, and controversies that defined their relationship and their groundbreaking careers, all while navigating the pressures of Hollywood and McCarthyism. Number 5. Roku Streaming Stick Plus HD 4K HDR. Tired of weak Wi-Fi signals? Our device features a long-range wireless receiver. It provides extended range and a stronger signal for smooth streaming, even from rooms far away from your router. Experience your favorite shows in stunning detail and clarity. Whether you're streaming in HD, 4K, or HDR, you'll enjoy picture quality optimized for your TV with sharp resolution and vivid color. Stream your favorites with ease, from movies and series to cable alternatives. Enjoy the most talked about TV across thousands of channels. It's snappy and responsive for a seamless experience. Simplify your entertainment with one remote. Power up your TV, adjust the volume, and control your streaming all with a single device. Use your voice to search and access features quickly. Getting started is incredibly simple. Just plug it in, connect to the internet, and begin streaming your favorite content. It's that easy. Want to watch without disturbing others? Use the free mobile app to listen privately. Pump up the volume on your shows without waking up the house. Stream what you love, including free TV, live news, and sports. Cut back on cable bills with access to over 500,000 movies and TV episodes across thousands of channels. What we like? If you're tired of weak Wi-Fi signals hindering your streaming, this device offers superior long-range wireless connectivity. Its voice remote also simplifies navigation and control. For those who want a seamless streaming experience even in distant rooms and appreciate the convenience of voice commands, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This thing works surprisingly well with a slow connection. You don't get 4K video, but it looks pretty good in old-fashioned 1080p. It works plugged into a receiver that then separates out the audio and passes the video onto the TV. You can create an account without providing any credit card information. Number 4. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0. Never over or undercook your food again. This device circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. Explore endless cooking options with Sous Vide. It's ideal for chicken, fish, vegetables, beef, and more, locking in flavor and moisture for unparalleled texture and taste. Get cooking quicker than ever. It heats water faster and holds temperature precisely, attaching easily to any pot and offering water resistance for peace of mind. Access thousands of free recipes in our app, created for all skill levels by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. It was designed in San Francisco, California. Control your cooking directly on the device or through our intuitive app. Monitor your meals from anywhere using your smartphone. With access to exclusive content and professional recipes, you can revisit past cooks or share your culinary creations. Start with a 2-week free trial. What we like? For the home chef who demands perfection, this Sous Vide cooker guarantees flawless results every time. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and app control allow you to monitor your cooking from anywhere. If you're looking to elevate your culinary skills and achieve restaurant-quality meals with minimal effort, this is the tool for you. What people say. This Anova unit is great. It is simple to set up and adjust the settings. The primary function of this product is to maintain a constant water temperature for hours at a time, and it does it perfectly. The app works great. I can watch the time any place I'm at. If I'm out and about, I can still check the app and it tells me time remaining and that the temp is still on track. Wonderful. Circulatory works very well and is a great value. Compared to the Anova Pro, it is much quieter, yet offers very comparable performance. Heats water quickly and accurately holds temperature. No problems with extended use, 24+ hours. Number 3. Yedi Infinity Sous Vide Cooker. Introducing the Yedi Infinity Sous Vide Cooker, your key to effortless, precision cooking. Achieve perfect results every time with its advanced temperature control and circulation system. Experience the difference with our patented oxygen technology. Its unique design ensures even water and heat distribution, eliminating cool spots for consistently superior cooking. Get started right away with the included deluxe accessory kit. It comes with everything you need, including reusable bags, container clips, and a helpful recipe book. This powerful 1000-watt device heats up rapidly, bringing water to your desired temperature quickly. Enjoy ultra-quiet operation while achieving restaurant-quality meals at home. From tender beef and chicken to delicate seafood and even chocolate, it handles it all. Say goodbye to overcooking and hello to perfectly prepared dishes with minimal effort. Cook with confidence knowing it's made with healthy, food-safe materials, free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, and BPA. We stand by our product with a 1-year manufacturer warranty and a 90-day return policy. Purchase yours today and elevate your home cooking experience. What we like. Experience unparalleled cooking precision with its patented oxygen technology for even heat distribution. This Sous Vide cooker comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, making it a complete solution for gourmet cooking. If you're a serious cook who values accuracy, convenience, and wants all the tools up front, this is an excellent option. What people say. It's worked great. I'm cooking healthier meals at home. Boneless, skinless chicken breasts have been an easy source of protein. Sous vide allows me to cook them at a steady lower temperature so they stay tender, but still kill off any ickiness and parasites. No more rubber chicken. Also steaks cooked to the perfect temperature. Works exactly as expected. Very easy to use, and very quiet. Water temperature is very accurate. Most tender boneless, skinless chicken breasts I have ever had. Great for reheating leftovers, as well. It has performed very well and has made me a confirmed sous vide convert. Delicious, tender, and juicy chicken breasts and yummy salmon fillets prepared for one are now my forte. I have found that temperature regulation is very good. It reaches cooking temperature quickly and does a quick recovery after adding cold food to the bath. The controls are reasonably intuitive and self-contained, no need for phone app silliness. Number 2. Tide Pods Original Scent Laundry Detergent. Introducing Tide Pods, the ultimate solution for your laundry needs. Experience a powerful clean that tackles tough stains with ease. Designed for high-efficiency washing machines, these pods ensure optimal performance without compromising your appliance. Get a brilliant clean every time. Enjoy the classic, refreshing original scent that leaves your clothes smelling wonderfully clean. It's the scent you know and love. With a generous 96 count, this pack provides long-lasting convenience for your household. Stock up and simplify your laundry routine. Simply toss a pod into your wash for a hassle-free laundry experience. It's the easiest way to achieve a superior clean for all your fabrics. Choose the trusted name in laundry care. Tide Pods deliver exceptional results, making laundry day simpler and more effective. What we like. For a classic and reliable clean, these laundry pods offer the original scent you know and love. They are designed for high-efficiency machines, ensuring optimal performance and care for your clothes. If you prefer a familiar, fresh scent and need a powerful yet gentle detergent for your everyday laundry, these are a great pick. What people say. Convenient laundry pods that clean well, dissolve properly in my washer, and leave clothes smelling fresh without extra measuring. These clean really well, get out everyday stains, and leave clothes smelling fresh without being overpowering. I love that they are 3-in-1, stain remover, odor fighter, and color protector, so I don't need to add anything extra. The pods are super convenient, no measuring, no spills, just toss 1 or 2 for heavy loads, in and go. They dissolve perfectly even in cold water, tackle tough stains like grass, food, and sweat marks, and leave clothes smelling fresh and clean without any overpowering scent. Number 1. Tide Pod Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent, 96 count. Introducing Tide Pods in the refreshing Spring Meadow scent. Experience a powerful clean with every load. These laundry detergent pods are designed for high-efficiency machines. They deliver a superior clean that tackles tough stains. Simply toss 1 pod into your wash for a hassle-free laundry experience. No measuring, no mess, just clean clothes. Enjoy the invigorating Spring Meadow scent that leaves your clothes smelling fresh and clean. It's a scent that reminds you of a beautiful spring day. This value pack contains 96 laundry detergent pods, ensuring you have plenty for many washes. Get more clean for your money. Make the smart choice for your laundry needs. Tide Pods offer convenience, effectiveness, and a delightful scent. What we like. If you're seeking a refreshing and clean fragrance for your laundry, these pods deliver with their spring meadow scent. Like their counterpart, they are heat-compatible for efficient washing. Choose this option if you enjoy a lighter, floral scent and want a dependable, high-performance detergent for your laundry needs. What people say. Convenient laundry pods that clean well, dissolve properly in my He washer, and leave clothes smelling fresh without extra measuring. These clean really well, get out everyday stains, and leave clothes smelling fresh without being overpowering. I love that they are 3-in-1, stain remover, odor fighter, and color protector, so I don't need to add anything extra. These 3-in-1 packs make laundry so simple, just toss one in and go. They dissolve completely and leave clothes smelling fresh without any residue. They work amazingly well on tough stains and really cut through odors, even after long days of heavy use. I've also noticed that colors stay bright wash after wash, which is awesome. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.